Welcome to my channel Fakhruddin Academy, my dear students. Today I would like to discuss how should you improve your problem solving skills. What is the best method to approach towards the problem solving skills? Most of the students will do a small blunder mistake that first they will read the concept, then they will try to solve the problem. When they don't get through the problem, how to solve it, directly they will go to the solution, which is a blunder committed by almost 90% of the students. Then what is the best approach so that you can improve your problem solving skills in a better way, in less time, how to grasp the subject and also solve the problem in a beautiful way and the fastest way possible. The scientific approach towards the problem solving skills is read the concept first, try to solve the problem, but if you don't get through the problem, if you're not getting an idea, that means you are weak in that particular concept. The immediate step you should not take that you are going to see the solution. No, never. This is a blunder. First, try to solve the problem. If you don't get to the problem, read the concept once again to get the grasping power in that concept, and let us read the concept once again with more details. In keeping this problem in your mind, if you start reading the subject, you'll grasp the concept very easily. Then after reading that concept, again try to solve the problem. Even now, if you are unable to get through the problem, that means you didn't get the concept well. Again, read the concept. Try to explain this concept to your friends or to your brother or to your sister, because when you explain this concept to someone else, your mind tries to think that concept in a deeper way. This is the method how we lecturers going to improve our subject, just by teaching to the students. Once you teach this subject to the students, topic to the students, your multiple thinking will develop. You try to think about the concept in different angles when you try to teach to the students, or to your friends, or to your brothers and sisters. In this way, by reading the concept, explaining to the others, and also again trying to solve the problem, one time or the other you will be able to solve the problem in a beautiful way. You will get to the answer. But even though after reading 2 to 3 times the concept and trying to solve the problem, if you are unable to get through the problem, then the final step is you have to go through the solution then. But never ever go to the solution immediately after seeing the problem, which most of the students, they will fail in the first step only, reading the concept, trying to solve the problem, and if we then get the problem, trying to go to the solution immediately. No, this is a blunder. You have to oscillate like a pendulum, and pendulum will oscillate left and right, to and fro. First thing is read the concept, try to solve the problem. If you don't get through the problem, try to read the concept once again like a pendulum, oscillate towards the problem, oscillate towards the concept. 2 or 3 times if you go on oscillating towards the concept and the problem without seeing the solution, you will get through the subject, you will grasp in a beautiful way. And finally, if you don't get to the answer, then you can go to the solution. That's a final and ultimate step. That is not the first step. And even you can try to solve the problem by discussing with your friends. It's a beautiful approach. Group discussions. Okay. So in this way, problem solving skills will be developed in you. You will be able to solve the problems in a beautiful way, in a smartest way, once you follow this approach. So let me repeat once again. 2 things you have to follow. And one thing you should never follow. And the thing which you should never follow is reading the concept, going to the problem. If you didn't get the problem, directly going to the solution will not develop any creativity in you towards that problem. The finest method to solve that problem is reading the concept, going to the problem and trying to solve it. If you didn't get the problem, going to the concept, reading the concept once again, trying the problem, by oscillating towards the problem and concept 2 or 3 times, then finally 90% students will get the answer. Even though if you're not getting the answer, you can go and approach your lecturer, or you can go to the solution. But once you go to the solution, you will be shocked that you have approached to 30 to 40 to 50 to 60 to 70% of the solution. You have understood, you have got the solution, but at last, because of your conceptual immaturity, you may not get the solution. At the time, take help of your lecturer or go to the solution, which is the ultimate step. So this is a beautiful method to improve your problem solving skills and get through the subject. Thank you very much. Hope you will do the method of scientifically grasping towards the problems. In this way, you can solve at least 10 quality problems. The remaining 100 problems will be in a smoother and very easy for you to solve. But once you read the concept and go to the problem and solution immediately, in this method, if you solve hundreds of problems, you are not going to get any creativity in you. No. This is not the right way of problem solving. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.